to your vlog, yeah?
Yeah.
First
And
time I'm vlogging.
I mean, in the near future, he will go to Philippines.
Masarap.
Oh, just right now, guys. So we were gonna help our co-worker here, the driver,
He was coming around and he come out too slow.
because our truck is
Somebody else
stuck.
got
Car is in the roller here in roller drive.
You have any rope or something?
I can get rope. We have rope. Oh, Sealan has chain in the truck. You can take the chain from Sealan.
Chain is okay?
When we're passing there, yeah, he's stuck on the road.
Okay, let's help Silan.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go. How far is Silan? It's the same, close to
He blocks Spider Tech entrance, not entrance. This is all my tracks. Can nobody else come in the back?
Somebody gets stuck here.
Oh, look at that.
They're gonna get stuck for sure if it's not plowed.
But there's not that much snow here. Huh?
It is. It's more than a foot. It's more than a foot snow. Look at the depth of the tire. Right now, my front bumper is scraping the snow as it going.
Listen, Dapper tell her, I clean the car, my wife's car, and clean the drive at the front. She said, the car is full of snow. I said, I clean it. She said, it's full. I said, I clean it. She said, she'll send a picture.
Of course it's full. It's snowing all day, all morning. I shovel them. By the time I finish shovel, the fucking back end full.
Oh, it's here. That's
I said,
Sealan's
forget
truck.
it. Yeah, that's what I said. He's stuck there.
Here,
You know?
including
shit.
Henry's truck.
Somebody was trying to get
Somebody's
here.
trying to come through. They stuck in my
Okay,
path.
so
Hey, I was thinking.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Pass away if I was
They
walking
just
here.
plow through. They
So,
don't
where's your
slow
car,
down,
man?
Just fast
Oh,
and
my
low.
on the other
Don't
side.
slow down, just go through right through. Okay? Just go right through. Don't plow through here. Don't slow down.
Who's this?
I have no idea who is this.
Tell Jagdish to clean here,
What is
okay?
it? The
Muhammad
guy-
and Jagdish,
The
okay?
guy from the
I have
maintenance.
no idea.
The guy from the
See,
maintenance.
I thought they had the backhoe back there. I was gonna go see if the key is there and start it up.
See, Roger, I was thinking I'm gonna park here somewhere.
Yeah, we can park here somewhere under the bridge. Once
But
we
you
get you
can't block
going.
up, but you can't block up those guys, right?
Those guys are not supposed to go there. Their track is before the bridge. They're not supposed to go under the bridge.
Somebody went into the ditch.
Somebody more again.
No, he went into straight, yeah? He went,
You see the guy pushing out this stuff on the road. This
Oh, he's
fucking
facing
guy's
the
They
road.
say no good, yeah.
Well, somebody was flying here, okay?
Good luck if your car is still there, man.
You see this guy got four right
Oh,
before you
he's
get
still
stuck.
parked there.
That's
See
no,
Oh, it's still there.
fucking people don't know how to drive, man.
That's the problem. Now this one's stuck right in the middle.
Yep, and we don't know if we're gonna go straight on that.
That's it. You could maybe go wrong there. Don't stop. Let's go up on his left side, yeah?
There's room.
Sometimes
Yeah,
you don't
we're here.
know because he may
You going
fall
that side?
into the
Okay.
ditch.
This side, yeah,
Okay,
because
go,
this side
go,
looks so
go
bad.
for it.
Guy didn't see.
Yeah, I'm going.
You don't slow down.
I'm going. I'm pushing the snow as I go.
Oh, this not. Oh, Henry
Henry
is
got
up. Oh,
way
this one
back.
is
Where's
looking
your
at
car?
me.
This guy is the guy from maintenance.
Okay, I was looking at that. I said, it's gotta look like Henry, but I didn't look at those wrong lights.
Just too much.
I realized
Oh yeah, he got snow. He can come out, man. He's easy to come out in this truck that I
Henry, just
make.
stay like that and back up and pull him, eh?
Well, that's true. I can do
Yeah,
that
go back,
too.
just pull him forward.
Yeah.
Back there.
Who is this guy? Oh, that's Damien.
Yeah, he stay right there. Okay? That's Hendrick's friend.
Who's that?
Oh shit! I didn't bring the chain from
Oh,
Sealand.
Scott!
Oh, this
What?
fuck me
You
go
gotta-
pull him.
Let me out, I'm gonna dig out a little bit.
Oh, they fuck me go pull him. Wait, I'm
Okay,
bringing-
guys, so this is Henry's car, so we're gonna help him.
Thank you very much.
No problemos, amigos.
Oh, you're gonna try to see how the car was pushing the snow in front.
Yeah.
Hey!
I didn't notice you, man. Damien, how's it going? I know. Now, guys, I'm doing a documentary here with my friends. Tell me if it's my turn, okay? Okay, Damien, you're planning to clean up all the road?
No, I'm not gonna go to the main road. I'm going home.
Oh, okay. Okay, good luck, man.
Yeah, once I get to the main road, that's it. No?
Okay.
You need a bigger shovel.
You ready?
You're trying to get.
Let me try. Andrew,
Let me
Andrew,
check.
you
Let
push
me
it.
check. Let me check.
Here.
Okay, guys, so we are now here in Victoria Park and Finch, and let's see about that bus. Still stuck in there
Only one
for the
left.
whole day.
Only one left. There was like 4 of them. Yeah?
You can add more tomorrow, man.
But there was 4 of them yesterday.
Yep.
Oh, I think they're still staying there. 4 of them.
Look at the snow. And there
We
you
can
go.
make a spin for them later on your street, okay?
Nope, I don't want to
wanna
spin
record it?
or anything.
You
Yep.
don't wanna record it?
Yep. Scares me, man. Okay, and this is my friend Henrik Vok.
Oh, you misspell again.
I'm sorry. And he always give me a ride every afternoon going home, man. So
Wait, I'm on my way home, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, we're gonna scare this guy, okay?
No, man.
As a lady or
No, yeah, that's a lady. Yep.
Oh, that's a Chinese lady.
Chinese lady.
I think we're gonna have an accident, okay?
Holy
Oh, what's your coffee? I think she's making pass for you, okay?
Yeah, okay.
You'll go there and thank her for making pass for you, okay?
What the fuck? Okay, man. Thank you very much.
She's making the pass for you.
Yeah. Okay. And I was saying like, thank you, mom.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, she's all like an older lady.
Okay. What the hell? Wait. Yep.
Thank you for making the pass for him, okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, take care, man. Okay, so ngayon, nandito na tayo ulit sa Navajo Drive. Corner Apache Trail. So, ito ngayon yung itsura niya. Medyo okay na. Dito sa parte namin ngayon palang tinatanggal yung mga snow. Sobrang dami. And look at this. There we go. Back home. Home sweet homies.